Actually thought I was going to get out of the business at one point. When I went to college, I got a degree in aviation management. I really wanted to focus more on air freight and heavier cargo. I did that for about a year or two after I graduated college. And then I got an offer I couldn't refuse from a trucking company. Was drugged back into the world of trucking, and have done that ever since. I was executive for a trucking company, ran operations. And that for at one point was about a 700 truck fleet. During the time, I slowly became a fleet owner as a part-time gig. Eventually I got to 32 trucks on the side, which was determined was really not a side job at that point.
Right.
I did some different things. I ran some regional operations for a carrier. I was a brokerage agent for a carrier. Had a dispatch office. And then in 2003, decided to make the big leap and become a full motor carrier. And that's when I started Load One, along with my partners.